There are reasons why you may want to move a Prism Central instance from one cluster to another. We'll go over some use cases, but first, let's learn the proper procedure for this move. Under Prism Central settings, click on Prism Central Backups. We will choose Go to Continuous Backup. Now, choose Add Backup and select the cluster you wish to move to and hit Proceed. You will see the new and older Prism Central instance have been synced. Now let's shut down the old PC VM on the source cluster. In Prism Element, choose VM from the drop-down menu. In the table view, right-click on the Prism Central VM and click Power Off Actions. Now click on Guest Shutdown and then Submit. In the Prism element on the target cluster, click on Restore Now and Continue. Choose the IP you wish to restore to and hit Next. Now click on the backup to restore and hit Next and Next again. Now we will configure the network with the correct IP addresses and begin the restore. Now back in Prism Central, we see our new restored Prism Central instance. It will ask you to create a new password before logging in. Let's talk about some primary use cases for moving Prism Central. Cluster, decommissioning and hardware refresh, resource contention and capacity management, dedicated management cluster strategy, disaster recovery and failover, and finally, network re-architecture. Please leave a comment and let us know if this was helpful. Thanks for watching.